Craving sushi but hate the hassle of rolling? What if you could have all that flavor in a bowl, ready in 10 minutes? Let's build the ultimate DIY healthy sushi bowl. First, the base. Perfectly seasoned sushi rice. It's the soulful foundation of our entire bowl. Fluffy, slightly sweet and tangy. Next, protein power. We're choosing sustainably sourced Tasmanian salmon. It's fresh, packed with omega-3 and supports our oceans. Dice it up. Now for the crunch and color. Crisp cucumber, creamy avocado, and vibrant edamame beans. This is where you can truly make it your own. The flavor explosion comes from the sauce. A simple mix of soy sauce, a touch of wasabi, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Classic and unbeatable. Let's assemble. Start with the rice. Arrange your colorful toppings around it, and nestle that beautiful salmon right in the center. This isn't just a recipe, it's a template for your creativity. Mix and match ingredients, create endless combinations, and build your perfect meal, knowing exactly what goes into it. The final touch, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and some nori strips. Look at that. A masterpiece. Skip the rolling, make a bowl, so easy and delicious. What are your favorite sushi bowl toppings? Track it with a Rada app.